Hey everybody, today we're in a Mazda 6. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855425. First thing we want to mention before we get started is make sure you install the mount to the dashboard before you attach anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now this mount is going to attach in two different seams. One of them is between this front piece of the dash and the vent flashing that's right in here. The other is between this upper piece of the dash and the vent flashing back here. So you want to take the included gap opener and just insert it into that seam to open it up a little bit. Then we're going to take the bottom lip first. We're going to insert that into the bottom seam just until it sits in. And now we're going to use our fingers to press on the top one and bend it down so we can get it into that opened up seam at the back. There you go. Once it's in place, you remove the gap opener. Now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.